Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you back to mizanviews channel. Hope you all are well. Our today's topic is what is sauna, why and how to use. What is infrared sauna? A Finnish steam bath in which the steam is provided by water thrown on hot stones. A sauna is a small room or building that is made hot. A room or a small building, often with wooden walls, that is heated to a high temperature and in which people sit for their health. In short word, sauna describes any heating system intended to create profuse sweating. Saunas are thought to have originated in Finland around 7000 BC. Today, modern saunas are typically timber-framed rooms heated with hot stones, wood stoves, hot embers, or electricity. They can be indoors or outdoors. This is believed to help people be more healthy, though it causes stress on the body by overheating. Today, many countries and groups of people have different ways of heating and using a sauna. The temperature is often 80 degrees Celsius in Finnish saunas. The heat can be more than 100 degrees Celsius. Finnish and Swedish saunas have lower humidity to make this high heat comfortable. In almost every house in Finland, they have a sauna. Saunas have long been used for therapeutic and relaxation purposes and have been a part of traditional medicine for many centuries. Instead of steam or flame-stoked heat, infrared saunas or infrared lamps or electromagnetic music to create warmth. As our skin absorbs the infrared light, the light turns into infrared energy and penetrates muscles and joints. The lamp in infrared saunas focus a penetrating warmth directly on our skin to bring heat therapy benefits. Infrared saunas take about 10 to 15 minutes to heat up than traditional saunas. This type of sauna is generally less expensive than traditional saunas. Dr. Yang says infrared saunas can definitely be much more comfortable for people while delivering the same sort of benefits. Many studies have looked at using infrared saunas in the treatment of long-lasting health problems and found some proof that saunas may help. Conditions studied include high blood pressure, heart failure, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease, headaches, diabetes, and arthritis. But larger and more exact studies are needed to prove these results. On the other hand, no harmful effects have been reported with infrared saunas. So if you are thinking of trying a sauna to relax, and an infrared sauna might be an option. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.